Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and heading straight to the Downloads control. This is where files appear after a download completes. On iPhone, tap the down arrow icon near the address bar. On Mac, click the down arrow button in the toolbar or choose View Show Sidebar and select Downloads. Once done, you'll see Recent Items with timestamps. This tells you the file name and where Safari saved it. Make sure to keep Safari updated so this control behaves predictably. Once you see the downloaded item in Safari, use the quick preview to confirm it's the file you want. This saves time. Then tap the Share or Folder icon next to the download and choose Save to Files or Show in Finder on Mac. You'll be taken to the file's app or Finder location, often iCloud Drive/Downloads or on my iPhone/Downloads. This step moves you from Safari's list into the System File Manager so you can organize, rename, or open the file. Now open the file from Files or Finder with the correct app. Double-click on Mac or tap to preview on iPhone, then choose an app if needed. Move or rename the item into a folder you'll remember, because consistent organization prevents repeated searches. If you can't find a downloaded file, make sure Safari settings show the downloads location you expect. Change it to iCloud Drive or on my iPhone for clarity. If downloads fail, check storage space and Safari permissions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.